Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I am going to discuss about the Git Pull command. Git Pull command is used to fetch the content from the remote repository to the local repository. So let me explain this with an example. Assume that there are two teams. The one is the payment gateway team and the second one is user profile team. Both of this team are working on the same repository. Now the user profile team completes their code changes and push these code changes in the remote repository. For the payment gateway team, in order to get those changes which are done by the user profile team, the payment gateway team has to issue the git pull command from their terminal to get those changes. So let us see how it is done. So assume that this is the console for the user profile team and this is the console for the payment gateway team. This is the workspace for user profile team and this is the workspace for payment gateway team. So this file is currently present in the local repository of user profile team. So first they need to push this file to the remote repository. So I will open the terminal for the user profile team, issue the command git status to check what are the files which are modified, add those files, then issue the command git commit with a message. And then call the git push command. So this command is going to push the changes from the local repository to the remote repository. I will go back to the remote repository and just do a refresh. So as you can see here, this is a file which was just pushed by user profile team. Now I will go back to the terminal of the payment gateway team. So currently in the workspace of the payment gateway team, this file is not present. From the terminal of the payment gateway team, I will issue the command git pull. I will come back to the workspace of the payment gateway team and you can see here the file is fetched from the remote repository to the local repository. Now let me modify this file. So again, I will go back to the terminal of the payment gateway team, do a git status, add this file, then call the git commit command. So before calling the push command, let me go back to the workspace of the user profile team. So if I open this file, currently this file is empty. Let me push this file in the remote repository. Now go back to the remote repository and do a refresh. So you can see here the content are present inside the remote repository. I will go back to the terminal of the user profile team. And here I will issue the command git pull and do a refresh and open this file. You can see here the changes are in the file. So this is how you can use the git pull command to fetch the content from the remote repository to the local repository.